Welcome to the podcast.
Happy New Year, everyone. We're thrilled to be kicking off 2026 with you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Level Up podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Happy New Year, everyone. Or should I say, almost Happy New Year?
Yes, we are very close to 2026. Sarah, can you believe it? 2025 is gone. It went by so fast.
I know. It feels like yesterday was January 2025. Time flies when you are having fun, or when you're busy working.
Exactly. You know, Sarah, every year around this time, people start talking about one thing. Do you know what that is?
Let me guess. Is it food?
Well, food is always important, but I am talking about New Year's resolutions.
Oh, resolutions. The famous New Year, New Me phrase.
Right. New Year, new me. Tell me the truth, Sarah. Did you make any plans for last year, and did you actually do them?
Oh, Alex, don't ask me that. Last year, in 2025, I had a big plan. I told everyone I am going to get a six-pack abs.
Wow, a six-pack? Like a fitness model?
Yes, I bought a gym membership, I bought expensive running shoes. I was so ready.
And what happened?
I went to the gym 3 times.
3 times a week?
No, 3 times in the whole year. The rest of the time, I was eating pizza and watching Netflix.
That is hilarious. But don't worry, Sarah, you are not alone. Many people fail. Do you know why?
Because we are lazy?
Maybe a little bit, but the real reason is we don't know how to plan properly, and sometimes we use the wrong language to talk about it. We confuse dreams with plans.
That makes sense. I said I want a six-pack, but I didn't really have a plan.
Exactly. So today, in this long episode, we are going to help you fix that. We will learn how to talk about dreams, plans, and real actions for 2026.
We will start with simple dreams, then move to planning, and finally, firm decisions. If you watch this whole video, you will know exactly how to express yourself in English.
So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's talk about 2026.
Okay, Alex, let's start with the fun part. Let's dream a little bit. Forget about reality. What do you hope to do in 2026?
If we are just dreaming, I hope to win the lottery.
That is a good one. If you win the lottery, what will you do?
I would like to buy a private island. Just me, the beach, and no internet.
No internet? That sounds boring. But okay, that is a dream. Notice the words Alex used. He said, I hope to, and I would like to.
Yes, we use hope to when we want something to happen, but we are not sure. It's a wish. What about you, Sarah? What is your big dream for 2026?
Well, I really want to travel around the world. I hope to visit Europe, especially Paris.
Oh, Paris, the city of love. Why Paris?
I want to see the Eiffel Tower and eat real croissants. But honestly, it is just a dream right now. I don't have enough money yet.
That is okay. Dreams are important. When we talk about dreams in English, we often use vague time words like someday or in the future.
Yes, I can say, I hope to go to Paris someday.
Or, I would love to see the Eiffel Tower one day. It sounds very natural, very soft. It's not a promise, it's a feeling.
Alex, do you have any career dreams? Not plans, just dreams.
I hope to write a book.
A book? Really? About what?
Maybe a fantasy novel about dragons and magic. I want to be a famous writer like J.K. Rowling.
That sounds amazing, but have you started writing?
No, not a single word. That is why it's a dream.
Okay, viewers, do you see the difference? Dreams are things inside your head. You use hope to, want to, would like to, would love to.
Okay, Sarah. Dreaming is fun, but dreams don't pay the bills, and dreams don't give you a six-pack.
Sadly, that is true. We need to get serious. Let's move to level 2, planning.
Right. Now we are not just wishing, we are considering, we are using our brains. Sarah, is there anything you are thinking about doing in 2026?
Yes, actually, I am thinking about moving to a new apartment.
Oh, really? Why?
My current apartment is too small, and my neighbors are very noisy. So I'm thinking about finding a place closer to the park.
Notice the grammar here, everyone. Sarah said, I am thinking about moving.
Yes, after about, if you use a verb, you must add ing. You cannot say thinking about move. You must say thinking about moving.
Correct. So, are you sure you will move?
Not 100%. I'm checking the prices, I'm looking at websites, so I'm planning to move, but I haven't signed any contract yet.
That is the key. Planning to means you have a strategy. You are preparing.
What about you, Alex? Are you planning to do anything special next year?
Yes, I am planning to renovate my kitchen.
Renovate? That sounds expensive and dusty.
It is, but my kitchen is very old. The oven is broken. So I am planning to save some money for the first 3 months and then start the work in April.
See? Alex has a timeline. First 3 months, in April. This is not just a dream anymore.
Exactly. Also, for my work, I am thinking about starting a YouTube channel for cooking.
A cooking channel? But you usually burn the toast.
Hey, I'm getting better. I am planning to take some cooking classes on weekends.
That is a good plan. Planning to take classes. It shows you have steps. Step 1, take classes. Step 2, start a channel.
Right. When you talk to your friends, if you are not 100% sure, use these phrases. It makes you sound smart and careful.
Let me try another one. I'm considering changing my job.
Ooh, drama. Are you really?
No, just an example. But considering is a great word. It's formal and sounds very mature. Okay, Alex, we have dreams, we have plans, but sometimes we just need to do it.
Action. This is level 3, the most important level. This is for things you are definitely going to do.
For this level, we use the structure, I am going to.
Wait, Sarah. Many students ask me, Alex, can I say I will do it?
That is a great question. What is the difference between I will and I am going to?
Imagine this. Sarah, if I say, my phone is ringing, and you decide right now to answer it, what do you say?
I say, I will get it.
Exactly. You decided right now. Spontaneous. But if you bought a plane ticket to Japan yesterday, and today I ask you about your holiday, you cannot say, I will go to Japan.
Ah, because it is already planned. I must say, I am going to go to Japan.
Bingo. Going to is for plans you made before speaking. It is solid.
Okay, so let's talk about our solid plans for 2026. What is something you are definitely going to do?
I have booked my slot. I am going to run a half marathon in June.
Wow, you already registered?
Yes, I paid the fee. It's done. I cannot cancel. I am going to run 21 kilometers.
That is amazing. That is a real commitment. What about you? Give me a solid sentence. I am going to adopt a dog.
Really?
Yes, I already visited the shelter. I met a cute puppy named Max. Next week, I am going to bring him home.
That is so exciting. So it's not thinking about, it's happening.
Yes, I can also add words to make it stronger. I can say, I am definitely going to bring him home.
Or, I am certainly going to be a dog mom.
Yes. Alex, what about bad habits? Are you going to stop anything?
Yes, this is serious. I am going to quit drinking soda.
Completely? No more Coke? No more Pepsi?
0. My doctor said I need to cut sugar. So, starting January 1st, I am going to drink only water and tea.
That is tough, but you sound determined.
I am determined. That is another great word. I am determined to...
So, viewers, when you want people to believe you, when you want to show you are serious, use going to. Don't say, I will maybe do it. Say, I am going to do it.
Whew, we talked a lot. We moved from dreams to plans to actions.
Now let's take a breath and review the important vocabulary we used. These words will help you sound like a native speaker.
The first word is resolution.
Now, a resolution is a firm decision to do or not to do something. Usually, we make New Year's resolutions. Example, my resolution is to read 12 books this year.
Good. The next phrase is very common. Stick to.
Stick to means to continue doing something even when it is difficult. Example, it is hard to diet, but you must stick to it.
Remember Sarah's gym story? She did not stick to her plan.
Hey, don't remind me. Okay, next word, procrastinate.
Oh, I love this word. Procrastinate means to delay doing something, to wait until the last minute. Example, I always procrastinate when I have to do my taxes.
We all do that. And the last phrase for today is get back on track.
This means to return to the correct path or plan after a mistake. Example, I ate too much cake yesterday, but today I will get back on track with my healthy eating.
That is a very positive phrase. If you fail, don't quit. Just get back on track.
Okay, everyone, we have shared our dreams and plans. Now it is your turn.
We want to know about your 2026. But please don't just say Happy New Year. We want you to practice the grammar we learned today.
Here is the question of the day. What is one thing you are definitely going to do in 2026?
You can use these sentence templates. Look at the screen. I am hoping to. I am planning to. I am definitely going to.
For example, you can comment, I am hoping to get married, or I am planning to learn English with this channel.
Or, I am definitely going to comment on this video.
Yes, please leave a comment. We read every single one. It motivates us so much to see you learning.
And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps us out and keeps us motivated.
Thanks for watching, and thank you for being part of our English family.
Happy New Year 2026. Make it your best year ever.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.